Yeah, I'll honor my word as me, and I will put myself on top. On my own totem pole, I know my soul, it will not let me drop. Like Diddy and Biggie, baby, I won't stop. No, I won't stop. Call me a firecracker, now you're after all I got. Writing my very own chapter, delete that rapture and that big crop of shit. Won't quit, you'll see. Planting my seed, I'll reap and sow. Won't quit this bitch, read poems, write songs about all that I know. But see, I'm not concerned about what I learned, I burned it all. Cause you know there's work to do. Many motherfuckers got it worse than you. It's time to make the rainbow crew. Let me see that calm leader come through. I am a reflection of you. Yes, you're quite badass too. Oh yes, a leader, you're a teacher. Mix me in your beaker. The clock ain't ticking, the world's transformed. Now see it with me, you have been warned. Take over inside, release that stale mind, and start anew. Then monkey see, monkey do. Monkey do. Then monkey see, monkey do.